Alright, you already know what it is. The Onewheel GT finally has arrived. It arrived yesterday, actually. But I wasn't home, so I had to get it rerouted to the closest store or whatever. But dude, we've got it. Check this out. There she is, guys. There she is. I don't have a special knife or anything, but I'm gonna just go ahead and open this thing up as soon as I get inside my apartment. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk up the 3 flight of stairs that I gotta walk up. So yeah. Boom, just like that, it's in my apartment. The GT is here. And of course I got all my accessories that came in before it actually came in. So yeah, if you guys know me, you know I ride e-skate. I've really only ridden a Onewheel probably 10 times, less than 10 times. So this whole Onewheel stuff is gonna be new to me, even though I've known about Onewheels for such a long time. But finally got a Onewheel. And I know my e-skate buddies are gonna be like, dude, why'd you end up getting a Onewheel? And my EUC buddies are gonna be like, dude, why didn't you get an EUC? So trust me, this is a whole different vibe. You know, this is the top-notch Onewheel for one. Secondly, this is just a beast. So without further ado, we're gonna open up this bad boy and show you guys what's in it, and probably go for a little test ride. So boom. We got a start guide and information, mag handle. I'm excited. So, of course, I don't need this. I think I got an idea of how to ride. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Oh man, look at that grip tape. She's a beauty. So, the moment of truth, hitting the power button and seeing if the board turns on. It is on. Dude, I know I shouldn't do this since I'm on the carpet, but it is on. Oh, it's got a simple stop, I think, on, because it just kicked off. I don't know, but dude, I'm excited. Why you